Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this 4K edit on VN. Select your video, duplicate it, select your other video, select it, and then you're going to slide that and select forward, and you're going to grab this video and you're going to place it on the left side. Select your video here and go to the blend mode, which is this one. Then you're going to want to select the exclusion and you're going to put the opacity up to 100%. Press the check mark button. And then you are going to also go to the filters section here. Then you're going to go to adjustments and you're going to go to the sharpen here, and you're going to sharpen it to around 50%. Then you're going to press the check mark button, and then you're going to upload that. Well, you're going to export that first. Make sure, okay, the export setting isn't the best here. Okay, I'm just going to export it. Whoops. Oh, you can manually change the resolution here. Going to then export that. And after that, you're going to want to overlay this overlay on top of the normal video, and I'll show you in like a second, but I'm going to be right back when I've done that. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to press this plus button, and I've deleted the one before here. Select stocks. This one. I can just click on it. There we go. Then you're going to select the blend mode again here. Blending. Then you're going to select the difference one. And you're going to adjust the opacity a little bit here. Go back to the main video. Go to filters, here, and you're going to select the adjust section, and you're going to adjust it to your video. So add in exposure, maybe lessen the saturation a little bit. You're going to also go back to sharpen, and you're going to sharpen the video. The video isn't the best quality, that's why it looks like this. But you can already like see the lines are different here. Let me just go back to blending that. And I'm just going to go back to filters, and I'm going to adjust the exposure a little bit here, the brightness. Saturation's fine. Temperature, you can also adjust that if you'd like to. And just adjust it based on your video. I know it's going to be a lot different than mine, but that's pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!